Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Create and Process. Today we're going to be creating a poster design in Photoshop by using these selection tools. So let's begin with the designing process. Open a new Photoshop document and fill it up with white foreground color. In the first step, pick a Polygonal Lasso Tool and then create a perspective end shape manually. After that, to set some foreground color, we'll set the RGB values. Set the red value 253, green value 91 and blue value 151, then click OK. Now switch these foreground color to background color with the help of these double arrow icons. Then by keeping the red value 255, green value 192 and blue value 187, we'll get a pale pink color and then click OK. After that, select the gradient tool and drag it from one angle to the other end angle to merge the shape with two colors. And now press Ctrl D or Command Ctrl D to deselect the selected area. In the next step, we'll create a new layer and select the rectangular marker tool. Then just click and drag the second layer down and create a box shape horizontally. After that, click on the foreground color and adjust the red value to 168, green value to 69 and the blue value to 90. And now keep the background color black, then click OK. Now select the gradient tool again and drag it from top to bottom of the shape. Next, select the rectangular marker tool and create one more box in the same layer. After that, select the gradient tool and drag it from top to bottom again. Then press Command or Ctrl D. In the next step, create a new layer and pick the Polygonal Lasso tool. Then create a shape and set the foreground color with the red value 58, green value 59 and the blue value 69. After that, go to Gradient tool and match the shadow angle according to the shape by dragging it from one angle to the other angle. So next, we'll select the same Polygonal Lasso tool and create a shape in the same layer. Now pick the Gradient tool and drag on the shape from top to bottom. Next, select the Polygonal Lasso tool and create a shape to make it look like a 3D shape. Then pick the Gradient tool and match the shadow angle by dragging it. After that, create a new layer and select the Elliptical marker tool. Then create a circle shape at the top center of the end shape. After that, click on the foreground color and set the red value to 253, green value to 91 and the blue value to 151. And then click OK. And now switch it to background color and set the foreground color red value 255, green value 192 and blue value 187. Then pick the gradient tool and drag it from right to left. Next, sand that layer to the bottom. After that, select the rectangular marker tool and create a new layer. Then create a box shape vertically and pick the foreground color. Set the red value 255, green value 141 and the blue value 190, then click OK. Now press the key B for the brush tool and paint the selected area with the color. And now create one more layer and select the rectangular marker tool. Then create a box for the background shape and set the foreground color. Set the red value to 10, green value to 202 and the blue value to 223. Next, switch the color and pick the gradient tool. Now drag and maintain the shadow matching the levels. After that, we'll take the walking man image and get a copy using the shortcut Command or Ctrl C. Then paste it on our document layer. And now place the pasted image on top of all the layers. Next, place the image at the top of end shape and take the copy of the layer. Then press Command or Ctrl T. Right click and click on Flip vertically. And now move the copy down slightly. After that, right click and click on Distort and adjust the shape to give a tilt angle to the shadow. Then go to Opacity and decrease the value. Next, select the Smudge tool and increase the size by pressing the right bracket. And now, click and drag over the image to give a blur effect, just like a faded shadow on the floor. Check the opacity level, increase it a bit, then select the circle shape layer, take a copy and select Smudge Tool. Next, increase the cursor size and blur the border shape of the circle by smudging it. Then slightly decrease the opacity value. Hence, with these shapes, we got a unique text design for a poster. The complete design was created using the Lasso Tool and the Gradient Tool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming up. And if you want more updates on designing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.